we are back on another trip, and guess where we are? We are in Singapore this time. So after Meghalaya, this is the next trip that I'm gonna try and vlog about. And we are in Singapore, and it's 10 a.m. and it's just the start time for the rain vortex. It was a great experience to see the first drop, and it is a masterpiece in itself. Beautiful, like just majestic. This time we are with our friends, not on a solo trip. This is Dude, that's Ronak, and that's his fiancée Sakshi. We'll keep you updated about the trip. Wow, beautiful. This is a part of Singapore, I think, that really stands out as the innovation and that has design elements, and that just fascinates you. We landed in Singapore around 7:30, and from there, because we had time and the check-in is late, so we just went to the Jewel. We had to wait for an hour and a half for the rain vortex to start, but what a view! What a view! And from there, now we are going to our hotel in Little India. So from Jewel, you need to go to T2 or T3. Both have an MRT station, so you will get a SkyTrain, which is free of cost. And from there, you. So from Jewel, you go to T2 or T3, where you have an MRT station, and from there you will be able to take metro to wherever your stay is. It's a lengthy walk. It's a 10-15 minute walk, and wear good shoes, have the stamina to walk with the luggage. But what a beautiful airport. Such a big airport for a relatively small city compared to where we come from in India, a country. So, but Mumbai needs such infrastructure, I think so. So once you come to the MRT station, here is where you can get the Singapore Tourist Pass. These guys are taking it. I'll be tapping my Forex card for now and seeing how much is the money that we save and what we can do. And if this is more beneficial, we'll take this. Let's see how this goes. These are the rates. These are unlimited rides in bus and the MRT. So looks like a good option, but let me see how much do I spend on the card. Let's see. वापस. So from the airport we took the green line, and then we got down at the expo station. From there you take the downtown line, which is the blue line. So this is the blue line, and we'll get down at Little India. That's some BTS that's been captured. So the plan for today is we'll go to our hotel. Then I've booked my iWatch from iStudio. So you can pick it up within 14 days from booking date. So there was a promotion offer, 25% off on iWatch. So I just booked it before coming, and first we'll go to collect that. Then we'll freshen up, have some lunch, and then we'll go to Marina Bay Sands, Moline Park, and then the Cloud Forest, Flower Dome, Jurassic Park experience, and then the most famous light and sound show at Gardens by the Bay. So, and after that, there's something very special that I'm gonna do for the first time. Stay tuned to see that till the end of the video. I think these guys have taken the MRT pass, which has unlimited train and bus rides, and I'm using my Federal Scapia card. Let's see what charges do we get on that card, and we'll compare what's cheaper, what's a better option. Is there an additional charge, a processing fee that we charge, because it's a zero forex markup charge. So let's see how that goes. And yeah, we have already had 4,000 steps, approx 4,000 steps within an hour or so. So it's gonna be not a tiring but a good adventure. Remember, we are not tourists, we are travelers. We have some company that is pure tourist. Dheeraj, if this was Kulin Kumar, how would it be?
One of the best experiences I would have had, and all the luxuries come along with it. No
And the cost would be 2x, 3x.
Kind of, but
Yeah.
manageable.
Seriously, guys, that's not the fun. The real fun is this: traveling in the public transport, exploring the culture, people, and everything. And it's tough to manage the luggage in the metro, MRT. Oh, it keeps sliding. You can see it's not tough, but it's the feels that you have of travel.
Bullshit fees.
Also, guys, stay tuned for their pre-wedding photo shoot. ये बंदा जो आज हमारे साथ ट्रायल कर रहा है, ये सोचिए कभी आया होगा सिंगापुर, पूरा ट्रिप हमारा दिमाग खा गया है कि मैं सिंगापुर आ चुका हूँ। ये 17 साल पहले आया था, 2008 में। फिर भी बोलता है कि अरे ये तो सेम ही है। ये बैग भी उसने सिंगापुर से लिया था, आज तक चल रहा है। कलेश हो रहा है। करो थोड़ा और कलेश करो। अभी मैं इनसे ही व्यूज़ लेने वाला हूँ, इनके कलेश को दिखा के ही व्यूज़ लेने वाला हूँ। So finally, guys, after an hour and a half of traveling, we are finally on the streets of Singapore. We have got on at Jalan Bazaar.
Focus on me once. Rather than your fucking dog.
This is a crybaby. Oh, this will take lift. Okay, I'll go down with the luggage. Struggle. So yeah, guys, we are finally on the streets of Singapore. This is closer to the Little India, so you'll see a lot of South Indian people, food and all. But yeah, first international trip to country one on always many more to go. And yeah, the vibe is different. It feels like you're in a foreign country. So guys, in Singapore, we'll need to follow the demarcations for crossing the roads. Here you can't show your hand. Here you can't be like, अरे भैया रुको, हमको जाने दो, गाड़ी को हाथ नहीं दिखा सकते हैं। नहीं भाई, I think we need to press this button to indicate that we want to cross the road. यहाँ पे हाथ दिखा के गाड़ी क्रॉस कर सकते हैं क्या? It's hot out here. ये स्वेटशर्ट पहन कर शायद गलती कर दी, पर जल्दी होटल पहुँच के चेंज कर लेंगे। Such colorful buildings. This is the fun part of Little India. You'll get to see a lot of different colors, culture, graffitis. So guys, अभी हम सिटी स्क्वायर मॉल आए थे एंड मैंने वो एप्पल वॉच जो प्री बुक की थी वो कलेक्ट करने आए थे। यहाँ पे एडिडास का आउटलेट स्टोर था, बॉसिनी पे गुड अच्छा डील था, बट स्टार्ट ऑफ द ट्रिप पे कुछ बाई नहीं किया क्योंकि ऑलरेडी इतने कपड़े लेके आए। सो नाउ वी आर हेडिंग बैक टू आवर होटल. होपफुली आवर रूम्स आर रेडी एंड we'll start.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप. ठीक.
That's a good suggestion. Very good. Very smart, Sachi. तो अभी हमारे सामने हॉलीडे इन आ रहा है जो किसी ने तो
hotels of Singapore and
जो
unfortunately we are staying in Hilton and Garden Sarabu.
Yeah. Not worth it.
Not worth it at all.
Yeah, holiday in not worth it.
Best hotels.
ये भाई को देखो, मिनी डायनासोर.
मेरे को भी चाहिए. मेरे को भी कर रहे हैं.
दिलाते तेरे को इसके बाद.
So guys, we have come to Cloud Forest and it's a Jurassic World theme. Wait a second. This is the Mist Waterfall, which is such a tall one. It's a Jurassic Park theme this time, and this is the crowd. Imagine. I can feel the mist. I can feel the nip in the air. That just feels so cool, so refreshing. And I'm being a big Jurassic series fan. This is something that I'm gonna treasure and I'm gonna enjoy. रियल नहीं होंगे सची। अगर किसी ने भी जुरासिक पार्क 3 देखा है तो यही वो थे जिसने वो बच्ची को खा गए थे। अब देखो गौर से। Now we are heading towards the petting zoo. लाइव मतलब रियल वाले तो नहीं होंगे बट कुछ तो वो लोग ने रोबोटिक बनाया है which gives a bit of real feel. तो देखते हैं वो एक बार कैसा है। We can see the glimpses of a T-Rex over there. T-Rex is the apex predator in the dino family. जिससे सबकी गांड फटती है वो T-Rex है। यही T-Rex था जिसने जुरासिक वर्ल्ड फर्स्ट पार्ट में इंडोमिनस रेक्स की गांड मार दी थी। टायरोनोसॉरस रेक्स। जो जुरासिक पार्क वाले फैंस हैं, फर्स्ट और सेकंड पार्ट में इसने ही तेल का मचाया था। वो बकरी को खा गया था, गाड़ी को खा गया था, तो यही था जिसने हाहाकार मचाया था। वन ऑफ द मोस्ट डेडलीस्ट स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट लाइक जॉ पावर इमेंस। I was just sad that they got extinct, but I would have loved to see one of them in life. This looks so real, so real. मेरी गांड फट गई। अंदर क्या हो रहा है?
इसका मिल मिला।
क्या इनका भी डांसिंग कार होता है? तो ये गाइस हम जुरासिक वर्ल्ड में एंटर करते हैं। ये बड़ा सा गेट और ये हम हायर डेक लेवल पे आए हैं। सो यहाँ से भी नज़ारे बहुत ही ज़्यादा खूबसूरत और बढ़िया। राइट में आप दे सकते हैं बेहतरीन मरीना बे सैंड्स एंड वो अपना वेज डायनासोर उसके नीचे।
ये देखो वाटरफॉल का व्यू एकदम टॉप से। वो रही
तो गए हम ये पेटिंग जू वाला सेक्शन में भी गए थे जहाँ पे एक मैन मेड बट वेरी नेचुरल लुकिंग डायनासोर था एंड यू कैन जस्ट टेक क्लिक फोटोज विद इट, स्टैंड नियर बाय एंड इट वुड जस्ट ब्रिंग इट्स नोज नियर टू यू, सो यू गेट दैट फीलिंग ऑफ पेटिंग एंड बहुत ही अच्छा था।
those that are just joining us, the show is about to begin. Okay, hello and welcome to the Jurassic World Raptor Encounter. I'm lead Raptor trainer Anthony, and I presume that you've all met Charlie, Echo, and Delta in the other room, correct? Yeah. Yes, very good. Okay, so, but there's one more Raptor that's missing in this vicinity. Can anyone tell me who that might be? Yes, congratulations, thank you everyone. Okay, so, the Velociraptors here in Jurassic World all have animal DNA, which means that Blue's DNA also consists of the monitor lizard variant. Does anyone here know what a monitor lizard is or has an encounter with a monitor lizard? You were nodding yes, you met one. So basically, you met a modern day dinosaur, yes? Very good. So Blue's modern day cousins down here. Okay, so Velociraptors are pack hunters. So if you were ever to meet one in the wild, please, I am begging you, do not approach it because it's not going to be one singular velociraptor. It's going to be plural with all his sisters. 1, 2, 3, and they will not attack you in the front. They will attack you from the sides.
Your side.
Yes. Fun facts about Blue. Blue actually has 2 beautiful, long blue lines in the back of her spine. Also, she has 84 extremely sharp teeth, and she's actually, interesting fact, 20% bigger and larger than the rest of all her sisters here in Jurassic World. Yes. So, she is the alpha female because she is the wisest, the oldest, and the most cunning. So, before we continue, I need to give a heads up. Please, me being the lead raptor trainer here in Jurassic World, I cannot guarantee your safety if you stand after the line. Stand before, please, okay? You've got a yes.
Yes.
Okay, very good. All right, let's give a round of applause for Blue. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Jurassic World is proud to present Blue. Blue, hey, girl, hey, eyes on me, good girl. Hey. Don't, you're not true. Okay, eyes on me, good girl. Good girl. Good. Hey. Let's give them a good show. Okay. All right, as you saw, Blue is highly empathetic. She understands human emotions such as trust, loyalty, and she is also very much an intelligent raptor. Okay, so Blue, please, watch me down here. She's also highly intelligent. Watch me as she tracks me, as I track her with my hand. Blue, eyes on me. Good girl. One more, down here. Alright, good girl. As you can see, she's identifying everyone with a scent, with smelling your scent. Friend or foe. Good girl. Good. Alright, so who here would like to try their luck at tracking Blue? A volunteer who came up first. I think you and Hank came up first. Okay. Put your hand up first. Okay, just let me, no, let me just, yep, okay. All right, okay, let's, behind the line, sir. Behind the line, all right, behind the line, yep. All right, just follow me. Just do exactly.
Blue, stand down. Stand down. Hey, what did I just say? Bells up. I see you. Back up. Okay, good.
Very good. I think she likes you. Congratulations, sir. All right.
गए हैं OCBC स्काईवॉक. इसकी टिकट हमें $14 की पड़ी है. 15 मिनट्स में पूरा राउंड कंप्लीट करके हमको एग्जिट लेनी होती है इसकी. और ऐसा कुछ नज़ारा है यहाँ से. या ये है स्काईलाइन रात में. ये आप देखोगे सब ऐसे लोग कैसे लेटे हुए इधर. ये देखो.
फैमिली फ्रेंडली ब्लॉग का क्या हुआ?